Come with me to the Gucci Museum in Florence, Italy, where even the mannequins judge your outfit choices. Beep, beep. Yeah. Florence, Italy, a city around art. Sculptures everywhere. Most of them are naked. Beautiful even on a rainy day. So much to see in Florence, Italy, that's so on the road. Can't fit it all in one video. So this is episode 1. On the agenda today, the Gucci Museum, Gucci Vision, an immersive experience into the world of Gucci. Going to the Gucci Gardens. It's outside the Gucci Museum. Generali. We're in the Gucci Museum. Travel. Gucci was known for its exquisite leather luggage. Great display. Now we're on to the iconic purse room. This room will have your head spinning. I just wonder how many of these purses my friend Cheryl has.
This is a purse for you. I wonder how many of these Cheryl has. Oh, perfect purse for Cheryl.
Now we're on to the bamboo exhibit. In Italy, 1947, an instant emblem was forged by a stroke of ingenuity. For a new saddle-shaped bag, Gucci required a material for the handle that was not only graceful, but in the context of widespread shortages after the war, also readily available. Introducing the solution, bamboo. Now we're in the codes exhibit. The now legendary GG monogram has its roots where the story of the house began, with Guccio Gucci. As a tribute to the founder in the late 1960s, his son took the striking alliteration of his monogram and inserted it into the signature diamante canvas, a jacquard fabric with the rhombus design created by small repeating diamonds. When it was introduced, the GG monogram joined a repertoire of other iconic emblems of the house. All right, are you wondering where more fashion is? Well, this next room is small, but mighty. I love the display of this next room. They have two mannequins side by side. One is the more modern design and one is a vintage design. And the plaques read who the designer was, because Gucci had many designers over the years, and like the year. So most of the designs are from Tom Ford and Alessandro Michele. Those are most of them, but I couldn't read the plaques too well. But the dates are on there, and I love how they displayed the 1970s versus the 2006. You know, really cool to see how they influenced the other, where they got inspired. Really great display.
Perché qui va l'archivio, che si stampa fuori da quella nessuno. E qui nasce il gruppo appunto a sostanza bellissima, io proprio mi foto di video perché in realtà poi la grande
Che ti snakes.
e questa ci vuole questo caso. Le foto sono fatte così,
dragon dress. Oh my gosh. Photo of this to show Beth.
Esatto, sì, esattamente, però giù, sì.
This is
So now, on to more immersive inspiration. Into a tiny room. You could almost smell it. In 1966, a delicately naturalistic pattern depicting the 4 seasons in 37 colors through various species of flowers, plants, and insects was printed on a silk scarf, marking the arrival of a constant source of inspiration for the house. Today, the eternal bouquet of lilies, poppies, tulips, and irises, alongside butterflies, dragonflies, wasps, grasshoppers, and beetles, remain a powerful symbol of the house's love of nature and a metaphor for its ever-blossoming, ever-changing inventiveness. Okay, now down the stairs to exit, where we could read about the designers of Gucci throughout the years. On the way down.
today, 223. Sabato di Sarano will present his first Gucci Spring Summer 2024 collection as the house creative director. In September 2023, that just happened, huh? I wonder if Versace has a museum. Donatella. Ooh, that is wonderful. Wow. You saw the movie, huh? Stand in the stairway.
That was immersive. Now to recharge, walk through the famed Palazzo della Signoria. Sounds Spanish, but it's Italian. One thing I just love about Italy, and especially Florence, are all the magnificent doors throughout the streets. They're just beautiful if you really stop and study them. Some of them dating back to medieval times, and it just amazes me how long they've been there, and just the people that were going through them and standing around them. Like, what was it like? I just love that. But take a look at this door. Look at this old door. Wow, what do you think that's from?
On the shoulder. Look at that.
Well, that's the end of our tour to the Gucci Visions exhibit. Hope you enjoyed it. Stay tuned for our next video is on the Ferragamo Museum. That was amazing. Shoes, who knew? And then also why I went to Florence was to do a tour of the fabric stores. There was some beautiful fabric stores there. I did buy some more fabric, so I'll be getting that video together. So stay tuned. Hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see ya next time.